This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by giving Uber permission to read your location. This is essential because the app can't place you on the map without it. Open Settings, find Location Permissions for Uber, and choose while using the app or always if available. Once done, make sure your device location, or GPS, is switched on and set to high accuracy so the app can pinpoint you to the nearest building or curb rather than a general. You then open the Uber app and look for the blue dot that represents your current position. Tap the pickup pin or the blue dot to snap the pickup marker to your exact spot. If the app asks for permission again, approve in-app access so it can refine the location with Wi-Fi and cell data. Make sure to zoom in and nudge the pin to the curb or a safe pickup point so drivers don't get confused when they arrive. You finish by confirming the pickup spot, adding driver notes like side entrance or gate code if needed, and then request the ride. If the pin is inaccurate, try toggling location off and on, enable Wi-Fi briefly, or restart the app to force a location refresh. If problems persist, share your live location with the driver through the app or contact Uber support. That helps both of you locate each other quickly and prevents missed pickups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.